mga regional officers para magsabi when they can come in. So that's what we're waiting for now. So wala na, we are at the mercy of the weather as we always are. So we will just have to wait for the true effects of this typhoon, Christine. All right? Thank you.
My countrymen, mga kababayan, while we are facing the heavy downpour and strong winds of Ulysses, I assure everyone that your government is on top of the situation. From the beginning, various government agencies have already been mobilized to respond to the situation on the ground. I renew my call on all local government units and concerned agencies to ensure that the well-being and safety of our people remain the top priority. As President, I guarantee you that your government will do its best to provide assistance in the form of